Looking for a unique dessert for your Christmas party? Every year, the same old fruitcakes and gingerbread cookies make their rounds. But let's add a sprinkle of creativity this season. Say goodbye to boring Christmas desserts and hello to Starry Night Sugar Cookies. But what exactly are Starry Night Sugar Cookies? Well, these delightful desserts draw inspiration from Van Gogh's iconic Starry Night painting. They're a feast for the eyes and the palate, boasting a beautiful design and a delicious taste. These cookies are not just sweet treats, they're edible works of art. To get started on your edible masterpieces, gather these ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. For the perfect Starry Night effect, royal icing, food coloring, and edible glitter are crucial. With these ingredients, you're ready to start creating your Starry Night Sugar Cookies. Now, let's dive into the baking process. Begin by combining your dry ingredients, then gradually mix in the wet ones. Once you have a smooth dough, roll it out evenly and use your cookie cutter to create your masterpieces. Arrange them on a baking tray and slide it into a preheated oven. Keep a close eye on them. You don't want them too golden. Remember, precision is key here for the best results. After baking, your cookies are ready for their Starry Night transformation. It's time to bring Starry Night to life on your cookies. Begin by mixing your icing colors inspired by Van Gogh's palette. With swirling strokes, start painting your cookies, layering the colors to capture the depth and movement of the famous painting. Remember, this is your edible canvas, so let your creativity flow. Use your icing to create twinkling stars against a vibrant night sky. And there you have it! Your Starry Night Sugar Cookies are ready to impress at your Christmas party. Starry Night Sugar Cookies are the perfect dessert for any Christmas party. Their unique design and mouth-watering taste create a sense of wonder and delight. Sharing them with friends and family adds a touch of magic to the celebration. Your guests won't just be eating cookies, they'll be eating art. Ready to make your Christmas party unforgettable? Dive into the joy of baking and sharing Starry Night Sugar Cookies. Create edible art that will delight your guests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more unique dessert ideas. Happy baking!